Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be going over 5 skills that you can use in tight quarters to maintain possession of the ball. The two masters of this, Zinedine Zidane and Andres Iniesta. Boom, boom. Now we're going to be going over these 5 skills, but it's important to know you can practice these skills, but the way you're going to get really good at it is just playing small-sided games, playing in the streets, playing pickup games, playing futsal. That's where you're going to get your repetition. Learn these skills, practice these skills, but then implement them into those small-sided games, into those futsal games, and just through repetition, you'll be more comfortable and calm on the ball when you are surrounded by a bunch of defenders and have limited space to work with. Thanks for clicking on the video. Let's get right into it. The first one we'll be going over is called the L turn or L drag. The way this works, let's say you receive the ball on your back foot, turn your head, there's a defender right there. You're gonna pull the ball with the sole of your foot and then tap it the other side of your body with the inside of your foot. So the L turn or L drag, pull the ball with the sole of your foot back behind your body and then tap it with the inside of your foot, turn, and you're going in the opposite direction. Zinedine Zidane has this famous one where he does the L turn in the middle of the pitch when he's getting bombarded with like 3 attackers at once. He just swiftly pulls it behind him, taps it with the inside of his foot, turns, and he's gone. Iniesta, of course, pulled this off many times throughout games. It's a must to learn and implement into your own game to play in the center of the pitch. All right, I like to call this next one alternating sole swipes. So say you got 2 or 3 defenders right in front of you and you're at a standstill. So what you're gonna do is pull it back with one sole at an angle and then swipe it with the other sole at a different angle and boom, you're away. The whole goal of this is to offset the defenders, make them think you're going one way, but then pull it quickly in the opposite direction. One sole roll, another sole roll, and you're just buying yourself a little bit of extra time to burst away, glide away from that defender. Again, 2, 3 defenders around you, they think they're closing you down, nowhere to go. You got to fake them out. Pull it, pull it. Very quick, very sharp, very deceptive, very effective. Okay, this next one, we will be going over Iniesta's classic croqueta later on, but this is actually a backwards croqueta. So very similar to the alternating sole swipes, except this time we're going to use the insides of both feet. So the alternating sole swipes, obviously we're using the soles. Boom, boom. This one, you'll be using it in a similar scenario that you would use the sole swipes. So we turn on the ball or we're dribbling, we're closed down by 2 or 3 opponents. What are we going to do? Instead of the soles, we're going to use the insides of our foot. Pull it, pull it. Sped up, it looks like this. So again, close down. It's a nice little fluid motion. You could add a little hop into it and just glide away from that defender. Both ZIZOU and INIESTA pulled this off many times. They made it look so simple, just the way they could glide and start out. It's a tap, but once you practice it many times, get good at it, it's gonna feel more like a pull, and you're just gliding away from the defender. All right, this skill move to master, to be able to be calm and confident and maintain possession of the ball in tight spaces when you're closed down in any part of the field, La Croqueta. Iniesta was a master at this, dribbling at the defender, boom, boom. Again, if you can do the backwards croqueta, you can absolutely do the classic croqueta going forward, actually beating the defender. The opposite one was just getting yourself some time, some space, even if you're going backward or horizontal. This one, we're driving at the opponent, whether it's 1, whether it's 2, we're taking them on, we're beating them and going forward, gliding past them with the croquetas. So I'm gonna pull it with the inside of my right foot to my left side and then push it ahead with the inside of my left foot and accelerate forward past the defender. You can pull this off even if there are 2 or 3 defenders. Do croquetas by all 3 of them. Boom, boom, boom. You can add a little feint into it after the first croqueta. Pause. Do a little leg dangle feint. Throw the defender off. All right, last but not least, it's Zinedine Zidane's Marseille turn. Now this is similar to the alternating sole swipes, except this one, we're actually trying to beat that defender and go past them. This is when, say, maybe the ball is gonna be a 50-50. So who's gonna win it? You gotta get that first touch on the ball, pull it back with the sole of one foot, and then drag it forward while spinning with the sole of the opposite foot. It looks like this. You and the defender both going for the ball. Boom, boom. sprint to it, barely tap it, pulling it back with the sole of one foot, spin around, and pull it with the sole of the opposite foot. Zinedine Zidane had his own little variation. He didn't always use it to go past a defender, and he didn't always use the soles of his foot. Sometimes he would use the inside of one and then pull it with the opposite sole. Other times he used it just as a dribbling tactic to maintain possession, not necessarily moving past an opponent. So again, Marseille turn, many variations, but pull, 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 spin, pull, pull back, spin body, pull, and cut, drag, cut, drag. All right, guys, there you have it. 5 skill moves you can use in tight quarters to maintain possession of the ball and beat defenders. Again, to be calm, to be confident on the ball, to execute these skills, you just got to practice day in and day out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.